So guys, welcome to the channel True Jamaican Vibes. So right now I am in the Billy's Bay area in St. Elizabeth. When you come out Treasure Beach side, yeah man, so Billy's Bay. Billy's Bay Fishing Beach. Getting some nice weather today in the Billy's Bay area. Very nice place, and remember, so it's a fishing area. It's not a place for swimming, so a lot of persons decide to come to St. Elizabeth in this area. For me, it's not a place for swimming, so you gotta be very careful. Yeah man, so you're gonna walk the beach in a Billy's Bay, so keep on watching guys. Yeah man, so when you're exploring the Treasure Beach area, there are some places you can go. You can go to Lashings, 77 West, Jake's, and also to Jack Sprat. And if you want to rent an Airbnb, nice place to hang out on the beach. So I normally travel solo, yeah, me alone travel. So this is a very quiet area. So a lot of people want to get away from different areas just to relax and walk the beach. Very quiet beach. So yeah man, so remember to check out Billy's Bay, St. Elizabeth. So guys, feel free to travel to Jamaica and visit our beautiful island. Yeah man, so when you're up on the beach, yeah man, so you can have a fresh jelly coconut. You know coconut is good for the heart. So yeah man, so you can have a fresh jelly coconut. So this tree right here, this is the Jamaican grape tree. Yeah man, this is the Jamaica grape. And also for the beach, yeah man, we have the noni. This is a noni, and noni have a lot of health benefits. Some persons call this the duppy sauce-up, yeah, but this is called noni. So this is the grape tree. It's good for cooking, give you a nice flavor if you jerk some fish on the beach, or jerk some chicken, or jerk some pork. So guys, I like my parish, which is in St. Elizabeth. So yes guys, it's a nice day to be on the beach. Very, very nice weather.
And for the first time in a long time, I'm alright. Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays.
So guys, this channel is all about Jamaica. So you stop on the right channel. So thank you for watching. And you will see many more videos about Jamaica. Different places in Jamaica. Beautiful places in Jamaica. Same way. So big up on yourself and everyone I watch from yard or abroad. One love or one heart the people. Blessings.